Thanks, Jana. A new lawsuit has been filed following the deadly COVID-19 outbreak at the Holyoke Soldiers Home.
This one claiming supervisors didn't protect employees as the virus claimed the lives of more than 80 veterans. Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford joining us live in Holyoke tonight with those details. Paris.
Chris, Mary, that previous lawsuit filed by an employee was dismissed by a judge because the plaintiff never actually tested positive for COVID-19. But I spoke with the attorneys representing the employees in this case, and he says this time it's different.
You have to meet these people. Your heart will break. As mine did.
Attorney Leonard Keston tells Western Mass News what it was like to interview employees who worked at the Holyoke Soldiers Home at the time of the deadly COVID-19 outbreak in 2020 that claimed the lives of more than 80 veterans.
Your heart will break at what happened to them, and it didn't need to. You know, what happened there was horrible. Almost criminal.
He represents Deborah Ragunanen, an employee who has now filed a class action lawsuit against a number of previous supervisors at the home. Bennett Walsh, David Clinton, Vanessa Lazier, Vanessa Goslin, and Celeste Herrera. You may remember a similar case was filed by employee Kwesi Alberdepi. However, a judge granted a motion to dismiss based on the fact that Kwesi was never diagnosed with COVID-19. But Keston says this time will be different.
We have filed a new complaint on behalf of a new plaintiff who did develop COVID as a result of the horrendous conditions at the Soldiers Home.
They've appealed the first lawsuit and are waiting for their day in court. Keston says with this new lawsuit, he's spoken to more than 40 employees who are in the same boat as Ragunanen.
We went up and spoke to a lot of the employees there who told us about the horrors that they still live with watching these poor veterans be mistreated and die and suffer.
Western Mass News reached out to the Executive Office of Veteran Services about the lawsuit. They sent us a statement that reads, quote, EOVS does not comment on current or pending litigation. However, they were able to confirm with us that all defendants are no longer employees of the home. Now, Keston tells us this lawsuit seeks financial damages for those who tested positive for COVID-19 from that deadly outbreak in 2020. Reporting live in Holyoke, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.
Paris, thanks for that.